In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your LinkedIn profile to student on mobile. If you're using LinkedIn to look for internships, connect with classmates, or showcase your academic work, setting up your profile as a student is a great place to start. I'll walk you through it on the mobile app so you can follow along easily. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. On the home screen, look to the top left and tap your profile icon. On the next screen, tap it again to go to your profile page. This takes you to the area where you can edit your information. Scroll down until you find the education section. If you don't see any entries yet, that's fine. Tap Add Education. This is where you'll enter the details that make LinkedIn recognize you as a student. Start by typing the name of your school. As you type, you'll usually see suggestions. Choose the official school listing so it links correctly. Next, add your degree like bachelor's, master's, or diploma, and then your field of study. These help recruiters and classmates understand what you're studying. Add your start date and then your end date. If you haven't graduated yet, choose the expected end date. Marking an expected date clearly shows you're currently studying, which is important for student opportunities. If your region supports it, you can add a grade, but that's optional, only include it if you're comfortable sharing it. You'll also see fields for activities and societies. This is a great spot to highlight clubs, teams, or student organizations. Use the description box to summarize your coursework, projects, or achievements. Keep it concise but meaningful. Think about what you'd want a recruiter or mentor to notice. There's an option to add skills. Pick skills that reflect your studies and projects, like research methods, programming languages, design tools, or lab techniques. You can also attach media, such as project PDFs, presentations, or links to portfolios. Just make sure anything you upload is appropriate to share publicly. When everything looks good, tap Save. That's it. Your education entry is now on your profile, and LinkedIn will understand that you're a current student based on those dates and details. With that updated, your profile will be better aligned with student roles, campus recruiting, and early career opportunities. If this walkthrough helped, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your studies and networking.